Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change from a dual to a single monitor on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Make sure system is selected on the left side and then directing our attention over to the right, select display. So on the right side underneath display, if you have multiple displays connected here, there would be multiple numbers. It would be boxes that say 1 and 2 perhaps if you had 2 monitors, and 3 if there were 3 monitors, etc. And there would be an option or a button that says extend these displays. If you click next to it, there'd be an identify button, and then there'd be an extend these displays button. You click on that, and there'd be options to show only on 1, show only on 2, or duplicate these displays. You would select show only on 1, or show only on 2, again, depending on which monitor corresponds to which number you want to keep on. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.